All right, today's the official day to get started on the installation of the turbo kit for this car. I've got all the parts here laid out. Turbo's in here. We've got some parts in here: boost gauge, filter, blow-off valve, wastegate, fuel pumps, exhaust wrap for the headers. Got a turbo blanket, the gear oil pump to run the oil back to and from the turbo. We got the hot side piping right here. Excuse me. We got some bands. We got the cold side. We've got this bracket. Looks super cool. Got the intercooler in that box, some hose, and some miscellaneous stuff as well. So yeah, we're gonna get started. I'm following a guide that they made for the car. What we're gonna do today, I should probably unlock the car. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna start by installing the boost gauge. So I was gonna tap through the wiring in here. So we're gonna go ahead and start doing that right now, and then we'll get it set up. Start with that, and then we'll do a fuel pump, and then we can raise the car up and do the rest of the things we need to do. Let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna start here. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and take this T-tab and tap into one of the wires here, the one that's brown with the yellow stripe on it. So we're gonna go ahead and do this really quick. I hope I bought the right T-tabs for these. In, and then now we're gonna go get our boost gauge. Let's go grab those. All right, so what I got here is the boost gauge right here. I got some wiring. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up right now to go back into the T-tap, because we're gonna tap into that brown wire to get power to this boost gauge. So let's go ahead and strip this wire here. Oops. You know, I forgot heat gun. I'm gonna go get and shrink the wrapper here.
One eternity later.
All right, sorry for that little hiccup. Just had a problem with the T-taps right here. I got the ones that were a little bit too big, and I can't find any of the right sizes around my area. So what I did is I stripped some of the wiring there just a little bit, and you know, if you could see, you probably can't because it's hidden in there. But yeah, I stripped some of the wiring a little bit so the T-tap would be able to touch the wire. So we did that, and now we've got this.
To celebrate State Farm's surprisingly great rates, we gave the song surprisingly great lyrics. Here we go.
Sync has connected your phone and is reminding you that 911 assist is set to off.
Boost gauge is kind of working. It's kind of weird. We'll get that fixed later.